It smell like what? You see the sizzle. You see it. Coach. Let me see. Oh, this piece is no. Look at this piece. Look at this piece right here. Yo. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Coach. So what we got going on today, man? We gonna cook up some chicken thighs, barbecue style, and you already some straight sazon, authentic Dominican sazon, mama style. You know what I'm saying? Probably some garlic, some ajo, some cilantro, and a nice little barbecue char on there. Chicken thighs, well seasoned, prepared.
Oh, like a mixtape, Coach. Damn.
Bow! Back with another video. Let's talk about making millions, Coach.
Coach, no way we get it though, Coach.
Coach, the abundance, it come from
Opulence.
the opulence. So what they know about that, Coach? See?
Man, Coach.
Here we got live try. Go ahead. Come on now. How is that chicken hitting or not?
That chicken hitting.
Why does that look like you're
The chicken is hitting. The chicken is hitting.
It's burned.
It's burned.
No, it's burning.
Oh. Where'd it go?
Wait, they can't hear you.
All right. Is the chicken hitting or not?
Oh, what a lemon.
She had a little piece.
It's good. 10 out of 10.
Out of 10. This for the Patreon exclusive content. This is from my OnlyFans. Was it hitting?
Yes, it was good.
What's out of 10?
9.
Coach,
9.
these actually sound like honest reviews.